Hey everyone, welcome to Drea's Travels. Today we will be presenting the Days Inn by Wyndham in Thibodaux, Louisiana. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I just want to let everyone know this is my first time staying at a Days Inn. Normally when we're in town, we go to the Hampton Inn that's right next door. But right now it's not open to the public due to COVID. They have the offshore people staying at the Hampton. So let's check out the room. So our room is just a little off from the elevator. We're near the end of the hallway at 201. During our stay, we booked a 2-queen studio suite. And the difference is it comes with the wet bar with a sink, mini fridge, and microwave, and a sofa. It just gives it a little more space for us as a family of 4 to be in this room. The sofa is a pull-out, but I'm not sure where it could pull out to. You can see the floor is a little dirty, so they probably need to change the carpet. And we also found some stains on the bed. I don't know if it was stains or they just can't wash them properly, or maybe they get caught in the dryer because they might overstuff them. Here's an example of that sink area. You can see there's a plug up top, and without it being a studio, you would just have the mini fridge and microwave coffee thing just right next to the TV. That would be the only difference. I thought it was a little odd that I had loose cups in there. Usually hotels have the cups in the little plastic bags. But now let's look inside the mini fridge. It is cool to the touch. And you can see there is a small freezer compartment. So if you need something like an ice pack, you can put that in there. Overall, a good mini fridge. I did like the granite countertops. The microwave was good. It was a little small. But overall, nice to have a wet bar in the area so we can enter our room and just wash our hands. Also, if another family member's in the bathroom, we can still brush our teeth and get ready. Speaking of the bathroom, let's look at that. It looks like they had some updates. I wish they did have a shelf below the sink. That would add more space. But they at least upgraded the granite countertops as well. And it was overall decent. They do have a curved shower rod, so that helps from it sticking to you. The water pressure was light, kind of like it getting caught in the rain, but not like a rainwater shower head. Overall, a good space in the bathroom, and that's all you can hope for when staying at a Days Inn. Some mirrors have this stuff on it, and I don't know, it's due to age. This is a view from our room. You can see the Lowe's across the street, and we have a Popeyes nearby too. Alright, fellow travelers, thank you so much for watching my Days Inn video in Thibodaux, Louisiana. Please continue to like, subscribe, and share below. Bye!